Hi there, welcome back to Yoruba Mom's Cooking. My name is Monet, and today we're going to be cooking. We're going to be talking about how to cook egg, how to boil egg. And you might think, oh, it's so simple, just put water, throw it on the stove, but it's really there is more to it than that. So we're going to show you. First you need your pot, and you need your egg, and you need water, clean water. So we're going to put cold water in the pot. The idea is for the water to cover the egg a little bit. It could be more, but just to cover it enough. These are clean eggs. If it's not clean, make sure you wash it. Especially if you have your own poultry farm or like your own chicken that lays you egg. Make sure you wash it clean. So that's it. And it's floating. So that's another thing. Like, okay, if you have your own poultry or you have your own chicken laying you the egg, make sure the egg floats, in water. So then you turn on the stove and boil it for 15 minutes. Not on the stove for 15 minutes, but boiling for 15 minutes. That's very important. You could boil it for 20 minutes. It's just going to be like really extra hard. You want it to be a little bit soft. Unless you're making your boiled egg with, for like maybe like some kind of recipe that required a very hard boiled egg that you want to slice it, something like that, you might boil it for 20 minutes. Otherwise, 15 minutes boiling is good. So once you boil it for 15 minutes, now the trick is in the when you want to peel the boiled egg. So what you want to do is, I have this on the stove and it's been boiling for 15 minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to blanch it. We're going to shock it. We're going to shock the egg so that the lining inside the eggshell is going to shrink into the eggshell and not stay on the egg itself, on the white of the egg itself. So that was what we're going to do now. I'm going to rinse this hot water out. And then I'm going to put boiled water. Let it cover it really good. Just for like maybe 2 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes, just enough. Then when you want to peel it, so when you want to peel it, you get it from, and then the bottom of it, the tip, the oval tip, that's the top of it. The bottom of it is the wider side. And then you just kind of like crack that area. The reason why I'm going from that area is there's like a dent, like a hole inside of it. A space to say, actually. It's a space so that when you opening it, when you're trying to remove the shell, it will just come out really easily. See how it's peeling out off by itself. That's the trick to it. It could be frustrating when the skin is stuck to the egg. Then you have to spend time peeling it, and half of the egg whites is coming off with it. You can't eat the shell. So see how it's peeling off by itself? Very easily, peeling off easily. See, the white of the egg is kind of inside of it. I mean, the skin is stuck to the shell and not to the egg. There. So that's how you do it for the rest of it. Let me do one more. Okay. So how do you eat the egg? You can eat it by itself. You can put it on rice. You can eat it with anything you want, with dodo or boli, which is roasted plantain, or boiled plantain, or fried plantain, which is dodo. So when I want to eat it with anything, boiled egg, what I do is I put flavor in it by, just using beef stock, in this case chicken stock, bouillon. I just put like a pinch like this, and then I just kind of like press over. See, a pinch goes a long way. And then I add pepper because, I'm Yoruba, I eat pepper. So I add pepper. To it. Cayenne pepper. A little bit. And I eat garlic for my heart. So I just put a pinch of it. See that? Just a little bit. And there we go. Agba Bouillon. It should go through the right route. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.